you're going to need to add the about and contact action methods and views. Okay, so it will come with an index action method, and it's going to come with an index view. So you have to add about and contact. And you're also going to need to create your own style sheet. And that will need to go up here under www root and CSS. You should have at least 2 images. So you're going to have to create an images folder and add them to one of your views or multiple views. And I also want you to include at least one Font Awesome or Google icon in your views. In addition, I would like you to change the background color and the text color using Bootstrap, and update your layout page to include links to not just to index, but also to your about and your contact pages. So to show you what that looks like, I have an example. And so this only has the home controller. And you can see I have an index, about, and contact. That's exactly what you need to do. Up here, I have CSS. So this is a fitness app, so I called the CSS fit.css. And it doesn't have to be anything fancy, but you do need to kind of pick a color scheme. And you can see that I added images, including a little logo. And then I've got my 3 views, and I changed the default text in all 3. I added a jumbotron to a couple of them. I used the responsive grid. I applied Bootstrap formatting to my images, which you also need to do. Okay, and make sure your layouts are responsive. And then in the layout page itself, I added the Font Awesome library. I added my fitness CSS. I changed the coloring here. So that is good for the color change. I changed the color of the text and the background. You can see that I took the dark text links out, and I changed the background color. And this is also where I put my Font Awesome icons. But you can put your Font Awesome icons wherever you want. So I'm going to run this. And I did put this on GitHub for you guys to download so you can look at it. I do not want you to try to copy it and modify it for your own. You have to create a brand new app on this. If you try to modify an existing one, you're going to have problems. So here is what mine looks like. You can see I've got in my footer, I've got Instagram, I've got Facebook, I've got the privacy, and that is going to be on every page. Up here for my branding, I included that logo instead of text. And I do have responsive formatting on my graphics. So if we make this smaller, you'll see it's responsive. I've got the Jumbotron in there. Okay, I put a little email link here, and the formatting for this is coming from my fit.css. And there's my contact information, privacy. I didn't do anything to privacy, register, or log in. It's basically just picking up what I set up in my fit.css style sheet. Okay, so you need to do something similar. And if you run into problems or you have questions, please ask. Hopefully you'll have fun with this. It can be on any topic you are interested in. Have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.